When you are elected into the National Assembly, whether in the Senate or the House of Representatives, your constituents will not give you gloves to go and start boxing. It's not a boxing tournament. It's not. You are there to work in a bipartisan manner for the interests of Nigeria. You are not there to fight the executive. If you spend all your energy fighting the executive, then who will work for Nigeria? So I believe we've had a very cordial relationship, and particularly with a president who understands the parliament. A president who has been a senator, the wife has been a senator, the vice president has been a senator, and then, of course, in the Senate, we couldn't have had it better. This is probably the best times for the Nigerian Senate to have people. You know, it took America over 180 years to produce a president and a vice president. I think that was President Kennedy and Lyndon Johnson also in the White House. But it has taken Nigeria less than 24 years to produce President Tinubu and a former senator, and then Kashim Shettima, a former senator. It's not easy. And then to cap it all, the First Lady of the Federation, another, once a senator, always a senator, a former senator. So for us, it's not a period, it's a period for collaboration, for the interest of Nigeria. It's not a period for infighting.